Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Mate 20X, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. Get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen, and then swipe down once again right over here to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the screen recording toggle, which for me is visible right over here, and all you need to do is just click on it. I'm going to turn off the mic, which is enabled by default. And whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. You also can see that whatever your finger is pressing, there is like a white semi-transparent gray dot. This is just so you can see where on the screen recording where you are pressing. Now from here you can also open up some kind of applications that you would like to record. I'm trying to look for something that might not be working in, or at least wouldn't be able to be recorded. I don't think there is anything like this right here. For the most part, you can open up majority of the applications and they will be recorded without much of a problem. Anyway, once you're done, you can click right over here where the timer is to stop the recording, and this will automatically save it to your Photos application or gallery, whatever we have right here. We have gallery. I think we have both. We have the gallery from HUAWEI, and we also have Photos from Google. In any case, if you're using the gallery, you can navigate to albums. And in here we're looking for other, and no, never mind, where's the screenshots? So it looks like it hides it in videos, unfortunately. Anyway. Sorry for that, I needed to silently sneeze. So you can see it playing back right now. These ones are, at least in the gallery, they don't have like a special album, so it is being placed in videos. Let's see if Photos has anything better. If I can actually find Photos. There we go. So here, I'm gonna go to Collections. So it looks like it's also located in screenshots in here, so you can view it from screenshots, which will be a little bit easier to find it compared to just having your entire photo library and just measly screen recording just located somewhere in there. So recommend probably going through the screenshots. But in any case, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.